do you know what is operator and expression in Python? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. So let's start with me. Let me tell you what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, you will learn what is operator, what is expression, how operator can be used in expression. So let's start implementing practically in Python. Let me explain you first what is operator and expression using real life scenario. Let's say you have two variables. The name of a variable is A and it contains 10. So here we can say that 10 we are assigning into variable A. So equal to is an operator, or you can say assignment operator, using which we are assigning 10 inside A. Same way we can assign 20 in B variable. So same here we are using assignment operator. Then we want to perform addition of these two variable and assign this value into C. So we will write C equal to A plus B. So the C equal to A means here the value is 10 and B means 20. So we are doing addition using plus operator. So plus is also one type of operator, and whatever the answer of 10 plus 20 we are assigning into a C variable. So we can say that C equal to 30. So here we will assign 30 using assignment operator in C. So here plus is a one operator, equal to sign is one operator. And when we are using operator in our formula, so that is called expression. So we can say that this is expression. A equal to 10 is also expression. Then B equal to 20 is also expression. C equal to A plus B is also expression. And same way this is the expression. So generally in expression we are using operator. I hope you get an idea what is operator and expression and how we can use operator in expression. Now let's implement operator and expression practically in Python. In Python, there are types of operator. The first type of operator is a mathematical operator, or you can say arithmetic operator, that can include addition, multiplication, division, exponent, modulo, and floor division. These are called arithmetic or mathematical operator. The second type of operator is called comparison operator. In that we will compare two values, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than equal to. So these are called comparison operator. Other than the next type of operator is called logical operator. So there are three logical operator: and, or, and the last is not. So these are called logical operator. Next is assignment operator. Assignment operator means we are assigning value to the left hand side variable using assignment operator. Other than this, bitwise operator and membership operator are also there in Python. So let's implement operator practically in Python. So I have opened a Google Colab sheet. Let me give a proper name to the sheet, that is operator. Okay, and let's say I want to demonstrate the arithmetic operator. Let me first list out the arithmetic operator. So here in Google Colab sheet you can write text for reading purpose also, which will not execute. So you can click on this text and then you will write operator. And arithmetic operator can be plus, then minus, then multiplication, then division, and modulus, then floor division. Let's see example of each and every operator. Let me just delete that cell. Now let's implement the addition operator. As we have already seen that, let's say if we have two value, that is A equal to 10, B equal to 30, then C equal to A plus B. So here it will perform the addition of two numbers. And we are printing the answer. So here the answer is printed 40. Now as same way you can implement the multiplication operator and minus operator like this. Okay, so let's implement multiplication operator. Okay, so it will do the multiplication of two numbers. So here instead of that we will write C. So 30 into 10, 300 will be printed. Now the next operator, let's implement modulus operator. So what is basically a modulus operator will do? Modulus operator will perform division between two numbers and return the remainder as the output. Okay, so let's say here A equal to 3 and B equal to, let's say, 20. And if I divide B, C. Okay, now see, if I perform division, divide by A, and let's see the answer. The answer is 6.66 and something. Now, here definitely this is, the answer is in decimal format. Now, sometimes what happens, when we perform division, we don't want answer, but we want a reminder. So, to get a reminder, we will use the modulo operator. So let's perform modulus sign. Okay, so let's write modulo and hit the enter. So here it is saying that when you divide 20 by 3, you will get 2 as a reminder. Okay, now let's implement the floor division also. So let's say here I am writing variable x equal to 18, variable b equal to 3. Then if I perform C equal to, here I am not taking variable b, let me take variable y. C equal to x double division y. And let's print the answer. So it will return 6 as the answer. Now instead of 3, let's write 5 and see what happens. So it will return answer in a floor, that means nearer to the answer. If we perform C, it's normal division, it will give me the answer 3.6. When we do a floor, it will truncate the fraction part and it will give the answer as 3. So that is called floor division. Okay, so floor division means it will return the integer part of the answer, right? Okay. The next operator is exponential operator also there in there. So let's say here how we can denote exponential operator. So exponential operator is denoted by the double asterisk sign. So how you can do that? So let's say if I am writing, I am printing here for exponential 2. See what happened. It return 16. That means 4 into 4. That is called 16. 4 4s are 16. Now let's say if I am writing 3. So it will return 64. That means it will multiply 4 3 times. So this is called exponential operator. The next type of operator is comparison operator. As I told you, comparison operator contains less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. So let's implement it. So here comparison operator can be this: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, double equal to, and less than equal to. So let's implement it practically. So let's take a two variable, a equal to Python and b equal to, we are writing Python like this. Okay, Now I want to compare whether the A and B variable contain same value or not. If we want to compare the thing, we need to use a comparison operator. So how we can write like that? If A equal to B, then we will print the answer. Otherwise, we will print not same. So it is printing not same. Why? Because here the entire word is written in a capital letter and here the one letter is written in a capital. Okay, so here it will compare. So exactly it should be a same thing. You can also compare between two values also. Okay, so let's implement less than or equal to operator. So let's say here A equal to 50, B equal to 40. Now when we perform equal to, it will return true when both the variable have same value. So here if it is true, then it will go in that part, otherwise it will go in the else part. Same we can do for less than or equal to sign and so on. So let's say if A is less than B, then we will print A is maximum. Otherwise, we will print B is maximum. So here the value of B is maximum. Here we have written wrong thing here. It should be B is maximum and here A is maximum. Actually we have written this same thing, but only the printing mistake is there. So here we can say that A is maximum. Okay, so here sometime typing mistake is also happen when you are writing a condition. Okay, so this way you can implement less than, you can try out the less than equal to, greater than equal to. Now let's implement not equal to. Okay, so how we can implement not equal to? Let me copy this and paste it. And here we will check whether the A is not equal to B. If this is true, that means if the A value is 50 and B value is 50, then it will return false. Why? Because we are checking whether both the variables should not be equal. Then we can say that A and B are different. And here we can say A and B is same. Okay, we will not write R here, we will write is here. Now see here it is written A and B is different. So here this way you can implement not equal to operator. These are called comparison operator. The next thing is logical operator. Now logical operator means what? Logical operator means we want to determine something, based on two conditions or more than two conditions. Let's say we are checking the two conditions when we are taking any decision. Let's example, if today is my birthday and the weather is good, then we will go for a party. So when we will go for a party, we can say both of the conditions are true. That is, if today is my birthday and the weather is good. So if both the conditions are true, then we can perform the party operation. So same way, if we want to perform a logical operation in Python, for that we need to use logical operator. What are the logical operators? Let's see that. So these three are logical operator: and, or, and, not. Now what is the meaning of and? Let me explain you. So let's understand first how and or operator will work. Now, let's say we have two conditions, condition A and condition B, and we want to perform AND operation between two conditions. So, let's say if output of my condition A is true and the output of my condition B is also true, then we can say that the output of both the condition is true. That means if we perform AND operation between A and B, the output will be true if both of the value or both of the conditions are true. But it will return false if any one of the condition is false or both of the condition are false. Let's implement practically. So let's say I have a variable called A and it contains value 10. And variable B which contain 67. Now I want to determine whether the A and B value are greater than 100 or not. So what I will do, I can write like this: if A is greater than 100 and when I will print the message that both the values are greater than 100, if both the conditions are satisfied. So we need to write and then we can write B greater than 100. Now here AND operator we cannot directly write like this. We need to write a symbol of AND operator. So that is called one time ampersand sign. So it will evaluate if the condition A is true and the condition B is true, then it will print the message that greater than 100. Else let's check it. So here it is printing that one value or both the values are less than 100. That means here 10 is not greater than 100. So this condition is false. Also B value is 67. So here B is not greater than. So this condition is also false and this condition is also false. So if both are the false, the output will be false. So it will go to the else part. Now let's here write A equal to 100 and B equal to 670. Now it will check whether the 100 is greater than 100. Now here 100 is greater than 100, it will become a false. If 100 is greater than or equal to 100, then it will become true. So I can write here 101 and let's check it. Then it will print greater than 100. So here AND will return true when both of the conditions are true. Otherwise, rest of the case it will return false. That means whatever you have written in else part, it will return that value. Now let's understand the OR operator. That is OR. So AND is denoted by this single ampersand sign and OR is denoted by the pipeline symbol. Let me show you. Let's say here x equal to 40 and y equal to 67. Now I want to check whether any one of the value is greater than 50 or not. So what I will write, if you can write this condition in a bracket or without bracket, that does not make a big difference. So x is greater than 50. We are checking if x is greater than 50 or is this is a pipeline symbol. Or is second bracket we are writing if y is greater than 50, then we will print greater, else part we will print small. Now let's execute it. So here it will print greater. Why? Because here 40 is not greater than 50. So this condition is false. But here 67 is greater than 50. That means this condition is true. So what is the rule of OR operator? The rule of OR operator is that if any one of the condition is true, then output will be true. And if both of the values are false, then and only then output will be false. So if this condition is true, it will return true. If first condition is true, it will return true. So this is called OR operator. The next is assignment operator. Generally, assignment operator we have seen that is equal to sign. But sometimes we want to write our expression in a shorter form. So for that, some special type of assignment operators are there. Let me show you. Okay, so let's say here if we write a equal to 20, b equal to 56, and we can write we can write c equal to a plus b. That means we are assigning the addition of a plus b into c. So that is called single assignment operator. Now next thing we can write it like this, a equal to 10. Now we want to increment the a value by 10. So we can write like this also, a equal to a plus 10. And if we print the answer, print a, then it will return 20. Now I can write this expression using other assignment operator that is written like this. If I write, it will print the same answer. So what is the meaning of that? If you write like this, it will equal to a, here I have my mistake, I write dot. So it is equal to a plus 10. Okay, so this is called shorthand assignment. Okay, so also for multiplication, also for division, also for subtraction, you can use this shorthand assignment. This all is about operator. Now two more operator left, that is membership operator and bitwise operator. So when we do a data structure in Python, I will tell you how you can use membership operator. So I hope you get an idea how to use operator in Python. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.